Good morning. This is Andrea Robang from CNN reporting live from the University of Hawaii at Manoa, Hawaii. The growing amount of garbage being accumulated in our oceans has become a pressing issue, and perhaps the biggest threat to our world's waters is the North Pacific Garbage Patch. The debris is bounded by the North Pacific Subtropical Gyre, a large system of circular ocean currents. The area in the center of a gyre is stable and debris is drawn into it. The disintegrated waste is called microplastics and is trapped within the gyre and forms a cloudy soup. Larger pieces of plastic result from the dumping of ocean vessels or from current flowing along the west coast of North America and the east coast of Asia. Fortunately, certain steps have been taken to overcome this issue. Today, we are here to interview one of the advocates and beneficiaries of the Sea Chair project, Mr. Adrian Bacay, a fisherman along these waters. Good morning, Mr. Bacay. Tell us, what is the Sea Chair project and how did you become a part of it?
Good morning, ma'am. You see, Studio Swine, a London-based organization, teamed with us fishermen to collect waste and turn them into sea chairs, like this one. Garbage disposal in the waters has become so rampant, and we aim to lessen the marine debris. With that said, the Sea Chair project has also helped fill the landfill mining work in the fishing industry.
What an ingenious idea. So this is really made of garbage from the oceans? How is it so?
What's interesting is that our fishing boats are made into floating factories. We melt the plastic through a combination furnace and a hydraulic press.
Remarkable. Do you have a message for those who want to save our oceans?
Everyone has their own way of saving our planet. First of all, our ocean gyres are not trash cans. Please practice proper waste and disposal and please reduce, reuse, and recycle. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bacay. As we are already on the topic of ocean gyres, let's consult Dr. Vincent Venus, an oceanographer from Aloha, a long-term oligotrophic habitat assessment, one of the leading research centers for the Pacific Ocean. Good day, Dr. Venus.
Good day, Ms. Robang.
We're here today to talk about ocean gyres. For the sake of our dear viewers, what exactly is an ocean gyre?
Ocean gyres are large systems of circular ocean currents formed by the global wind patterns, Earth's rotation, and Earth's land masses. Let's take the North Pacific Ocean Gyre, a subtropical gyre, as an example. The North Pacific Ocean Gyre is located between the equator at 50 degrees north latitude. It is formed by four prevailing ocean currents, namely the North Pacific Current to the north, the California Current to the east, the North Equatorial Current to the south, and the Kuroshio Current to the west. Because it is surrounded by four currents, it is also the largest ecosystem on Earth, which comprises 20 million square kilometers.
How is it formed, and why is so much garbage accumulated within it?
Subtropical gyres circle areas beneath regions of high atmospheric pressure. The ocean water generally stays in one place, while the currents of the gyre circulate around it. Debris drifts into these areas because of the gyre's circular motions, and due to the region's lack of movement, can accumulate for years. These regions are called garbage patches. To demonstrate the movement of this gyre, let us use this picture. The circular motion of the gyre draws debris into this stable center where it becomes trapped. A plastic water bottle discarded off the coast of California, for instance, takes the California current south towards Mexico. There, it may catch the North Equatorial Current, which crosses the vast Pacific. Near the coast of Japan, the bottle may travel north on the powerful Kuroshio Current. Finally, the bottle travels westward on the North Pacific Current.
How does the Pacific Ocean gyre affect humans?
Well, there are no direct effects on humans, but the inhabitants of these waters beg to differ. The fish, for example, ingest the toxic and poisonous plastics found in the patch. You may accidentally eat those poisoned fish.
That's very upsetting. Has there been any effort to address this problem?
There are organizations that work to spread awareness about the condition of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch.
That's good to hear. It's been a pleasure having you today.
It's been a pleasure as well.
That's it for our feature on ocean gyres. This is Andrea Robam reporting. Back to studio.